Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail blocked emails problems in 2026. So if your emails are getting blocked, not arriving, or important messages are missing from your inbox, this guide will help you solve the issue step by step. First, open your junk or spam folder. Sometimes Hotmail automatically filters important emails into those folders by mistake. Next, check your blocked senders list. So you may have accidentally blocked an email address or domain earlier. Now add trusted email addresses to your safe senders list. This tells Hotmail to allow messages from those contacts directly into your inbox. Sometimes inbox rules can move or delete emails automatically. Review your filters carefully and remove anything causing problems. So check your mailbox storage and sync settings. If your inbox is full or syncing fails, emails may stop appearing correctly. If the issue continues, disable browser extensions or VPN services temporarily. Some security tools can interfere with email delivery and filtering, and that's how to fix Hotmail blocked emails problems in 2026. Once your sender lists, filters, and inbox settings are corrected, your emails should start arriving normally again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey